froth flotation method for concentration of ore. This method is generally used for the ore containing sulfides, that is the sulfide ore. In this method, what happens? The sulfide ores are there: zinc blende, ZnS, copper pyrite, CuFeS2, galena, PbS. These types of ore can be concentrated by froth flotation method. In this method, what is there? One tank is taken. In this tank, this is the water there. From here, ore, along with the ore, there is an inlet for ore and oil. Oil is also added. Generally, the oil, pine oil or xanthanides, fatty acids, these are added to it. This now in the center there is a stirrer. This stirrer, it rotates along with the air coming in. When this stirrer is rotated electronically, means by very fastly it is rotated, then a froth is formed. Froth means jhag. That froth is formed of oil. What happens? There is sulfide ores that is used. That actually sulfide ore gets attached with. Gets attached with oil, and gangue that is present. Gangue means impurities that is present here is wetted by water. Sulfide ore is wetted by oil and gangue is wetted by water. So sulfide ore which is wetted by oil is lighter in weight. On stirring, it forms a froth, and being lighter, it moves up and settles at the top. And impurities being heavier, as it mixes with the water, becomes more heavy and settles down at the bottom. Along with the pine oil, some another substance like fatty acid xanthanide is added. These are known as collectors, which enhance the non-wettability of ore. That means by adding fatty acids and xanthanides and this pine oil, it does not allow ores to wet with water. It only makes it to wet with the oil. And along with that, one more substance like cresol and aniline, which is known as froth stabilizer, is used. As soon as this, because of addition of this cresol and aniline, the froth which is having sulfide is remain in the form of froth for some time. That can easily be removed. It is skimmed off, can be removed from the tank and is taken separately. Where it is after some time, its form disappears and we are getting pure ore, which is from which the impurities have been removed. Now sometimes there are in one ore there may be two sulfides may be present. Suppose in two metal sulfides can also be present. How to remove them? That is, the sulfides of two metals can be separated. That is by using a depressant. Depressant means any other chemical substance which react with one of the sulfide and forms a complex on that particular sulfides and does not allow it to form the foam. One example is that sodium, in this you can see lead sulfide and zinc sulfide. These two are present in one ore. Both are sulfides. If both cannot be removed, so what is there? One substance, sodium cyanide, is added, which you call it as depressant. This sodium cyanide reacts with zinc sulfide and forms a complex. The complex form is sodium tetracyanozincate is formed. This complex settles over zinc sulfide and does not allow to form the froth, and sodium sulfide is then removed as such. And on the other time, lead sulfide forms the froth and can be removed. This is the method for forming concentration of sulfide ore, that is by froth flotation method.